Hey everyone, Dave Cook with the Franco painting wallpaper. So we are hanging some Tybo wallpaper in the bathroom, and we got to the inside corner. So this is one thing, kind of gets tricky. So I cut part of it because it was hard to get the whole thing and hold this at the same time. So the top we haven't cut yet. The seam is here, and we wrapped this corner in and then laid it flat. Got this piece all square to go, and then I started wrapping this one, and then I put our laser up. So we actually had to move the paper over because you can see once we had our straight line, there's our overlap on the bottom, and as the paper goes up, the overlap goes to nothing. So it's actually, it's an overhouse, so it's expected. So the pattern in the corner isn't going to line up exactly, but the most important thing is having this paper level, because you don't want this paper to be this way or worse, kind of having a cup like this and you're trying to wrap the paper around there. So wrap around a corner, and once we got it to here like this, got it in, you can kind of see it's a nice flat cut. And so I'll take the straight edge and we'll just cut it another cut this way, that way this flap is gone. Had questions about some of the inside corners wrapping it. It gets kind of tricky, especially with the paper. It's really difficult. It tears easy. So once I put this one, I kind of just used my fingers to kind of tuck this way, this way, this way, this way till it was in. I just made a relief cut this way in the paper, so that way the paper laid flat this way, laid flat this way, and then it could go seam down. Hopefully that makes sense for you. Yeah, questions about paper, especially inside corners, definitely give us a call or shoot us an email, reply to this, and we'll see how we can help you love the space you're in with painting and wallpaper. Thanks.